400 daily English small talk sentences to sound natural. Easy shadowing practice. Start your English journey today. Today is a new day. Today is a fresh start. And today you decide something powerful. You will speak English with confidence. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you feel slow. Maybe words get stuck in your mouth. That is okay, truly, because every English speaker, even native speakers, started with simple, small steps. This lesson is your next step, a small step, a strong step, a brave step. In this article, you will learn small talk sentences you can use every day. Short sentences, easy sentences, natural sentences. Sentences that help you start any conversation. You will listen slowly. You will shadow slowly. You will speak slowly. And every time you shadow, you grow. Your confidence grows. Your voice grows. Your English grows. You are not alone. I am here with you. You and I, step by step, word by word, building your English. Let's begin this journey together. Section 1. Warm-up. Simple sentences to start your day. Before speaking to others, speak to yourself. Warm up your mind. Warm up your mouth. Warm up your voice. Repeat these slowly, softly, like a morning routine. Today, I choose to learn. Today, I choose to grow. Today, I speak with courage. I can speak English. I can learn new words. I can communicate. I am not afraid. I am improving every day. I take one small step at a time. My English becomes stronger today. Feel your breath. Feel your voice. You are ready. Now, let's learn the first group of small talk sentences. These are sentences for saying hello, starting a light conversation, or showing friendly energy. Section 2. Greetings. First small talk sentences. Small talk often begins with a simple greeting, a light smile, a friendly voice, a warm sentence. Here are easy greetings you can use anytime. Hi, how are you today? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to see you. It's great to meet you. How's everything? How's your day going? I hope you're doing well. I'm happy to see you. These are friendly. These feel warm. These open the door to conversation. Sometimes you want something even simpler. Short, easy, natural. Hey. Hello there. How's it going? Long time no see. What's new? These sentences help you sound calm, relaxed, and natural. Practice them slowly. Shadow them with a steady beat. Imagine yourself talking to someone with confidence. You are doing great.
Section 3. Talking about the day. Easy conversation starters. After the greeting, you can talk about daily life. This keeps the conversation light and friendly. Here are simple sentences to use in everyday situations. 26. It's a nice day today. 27. The weather feels good. 28. It's a bit hot today. 29. It's a little cold this morning. 30. It might rain later. 31. The sky looks beautiful today. 32. The sunshine feels great. 33. I love this cool breeze. 34. Today feels peaceful. 35. Today feels busy. Weather is easy, universal, friendly. You can talk about it anywhere in the world. Next, let's talk about daily routines. Simple ideas, simple sentences. 36. I woke up early today. 37. I had a good breakfast. 38. I slept well last night. 39. I feel full of energy today. 40. I feel a bit tired today. 41. I have a busy day ahead. 42. I'm taking things slow today. 43. I'm trying to stay positive. 44. I'm ready for a good day. 45. I'm looking forward to relaxing later. These sentences help you connect with the listener. They show your mood. They show your day. They help the conversation flow naturally. Remember, small talk is not about deep ideas. Small talk is about soft connection, warm energy, simple sharing. And you are doing it well. Section 4. Asking simple questions to keep the conversation moving. To keep a conversation going, ask questions. Easy ones, friendly ones, natural ones. Here are simple questions you can ask. How was your day? Did you sleep well? Did you eat breakfast? What are your plans today? Are you busy this morning? Are you having a good day? Are you feeling okay? How's work going? How's your family? How's your week so far? Questions help people share. Questions open hearts. Questions build friendship. You don't need deep questions. You don't need perfect grammar. Just warm curiosity. Here are more light questions. What are you working on today? Are you learning anything new? Did you watch anything interesting? Did you go anywhere fun recently? Do you have any plans for the weekend? How's the weather where you are? Did you see the news today? Are you excited about anything this week? Are you trying any new hobbies? Do you like mornings? These sentences are easy. These questions feel relaxed. People enjoy answering them. Keep shadowing. Keep practicing. Your small talk will become smoother and smoother.
Section 5. Responding naturally. Friendly and easy answers. Good small talk needs simple responses. Short, clear, natural. Here are easy ways to answer questions. 66. I'm good, thank you. 67. I'm doing okay today. 68. I'm a bit tired, but I'm fine. 69. I feel great today. 70. I'm happy today. 71. I'm relaxed and calm. 72. I'm a little stressed, but I'm managing. 73. I'm excited about today. 74. I'm taking things easy. 75. I'm feeling motivated. Now answering questions about your day. 76. My day is going well so far. 77. My morning was peaceful. 78. I had a slow start today. 79. I had a busy morning. 80. I had a good lunch. 81. I finished some work. 82. I'm still working on a project. 83. I'm looking forward to resting later. 84. I'm waiting for something exciting. 85. I'm enjoying the day. These responses help you sound natural and friendly. Short, simple, clear. Perfect for A1 and A2 learners. Perfect for shadowing practice. Perfect for building confidence. Section 6. Encouraging yourself. Motivational shadowing sentences. Now, let's build your heart, your courage, your motivation. Repeat these slowly. Feel the power in each word. 86. I can learn English. 87. I can speak clearly. 88. I improve every day. 89. I am stronger than I think. 89. I am patient with myself. 90. I am proud of my progress. 91. I am moving forward. 92. I never give up. 93. My voice matters. 94. I deserve to speak with confidence. And these. 96. I take one step at a time. 97. I enjoy the learning journey. 98. I grow with every word. 99. I grow with every sentence. 100. I grow with every conversation. You are doing wonderfully. You are learning. You are growing. You are becoming a natural English speaker. Part 2. Daily English Small Talk to Sound Natural. Section 7. Small Talk at Work. Simple, friendly sentences. Work is a big part of life. Even simple English can help you feel confident at work. These sentences help you talk to coworkers, classmates, or teammates. They are easy, light, and natural. 1. Good morning. How's your work today? 2. Are you busy right now? 3. Do you need any help? 4. I'm working on a small project. 5. I still have a lot to do. 6. I finished my task for today. 7. I hope your work goes well. 8. Let's take a short break. 9. I need a little time to focus. 10. I'm learning something new today. Speaking at work doesn't need to be long or difficult. Short sentences keep things friendly. Clear sentences keep things professional. More helpful small talk sentences? 11. How's your morning going? 12. Did you have a good lunch? 13. Is everything okay? 14. I like your idea. 15. That sounds good to me. 16. Let's try it. 17. I agree with you. 18. I'm not sure, but I can check. 19. Let me think about it. 20. Thank you for your help. Use a slow, calm tone. Speak with steady rhythm. Shadow each sentence. Feel the words become your own.
Section 8. Small Talk in Public. Easy sentences for daily life. You meet people everywhere. In shops, in cafes, in parks, in the street. A small sentence can create a warm moment. Here are simple sentences for daily places. At a cafe or restaurant. Hi,
Can I have a coffee, please? I would like some tea. Do you have anything sweet? This smells really good. The place feels nice today. I like the music here. It's a bit busy today. It's peaceful here this morning. Thank you so much. Have a great day. At a store. Excuse me, can you help me? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a different color? How much is this? That's a good price. I'll take it, thank you. I'm just looking today. This looks really nice. I like this style. Thanks for your time. In public places. The weather is beautiful today. There are many people here. It feels peaceful here. I love this view. This place is very clean. This park is relaxing. The air feels fresh today. This street is so bright. This city has great energy. I enjoy walking here. These sentences help you feel comfortable speaking to strangers. They also help you sound friendly and confident. You are doing very well. Keep going. Your English is growing with every word. Section 9. Talking about feelings. Simple emotional English. Feelings are important. Talking about them is a big part of small talk. You don't need big words. Simple words can express your heart. Here are easy ways to talk about how you feel. I feel happy today. I feel calm right now. I feel a little tired. I feel relaxed. I'm excited about today. I feel a bit stressed. I feel grateful. I feel peaceful today. I feel motivated. I feel strong today. Talking about emotions also helps you connect with others. You can also ask about someone else's feelings. How are you feeling today? Are you okay? Are you feeling better now? Did you sleep well last night? Are you stressed today? I understand. That sounds hard. I hope things get better. Take your time. I'm here if you need anything. Short sentences, soft rhythm, warm energy. Perfect for daily English. Perfect for shadowing. Section 10. Talking about hobbies. Easy, natural conversation. People love talking about what they enjoy. Hobbies are a great small talk topic. Here are simple sentences to use. I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I love cooking on weekends. I like walking in the park. I enjoy listening to music. I like learning new things. I enjoy taking photos. I like playing games. I enjoy relaxing at home. I love spending time with friends.
Ask simple questions. What do you like to do? Do you have any hobbies? What are you into these days? Do you enjoy music? Do you like reading? Give simple responses. That sounds fun. I like that too. I want to try that one day. That hobby sounds relaxing. Oh, that's interesting. Short, friendly, easy to shadow. You sound natural. You sound confident. Section 11. Talking about family and friends. Warm, simple English. Family and friends are an easy topic. People love to share about loved ones. Here are safe, simple sentences. My family is doing well. I talked to my parents today. I miss my family sometimes. My friend visited me yesterday. My friends make me smile. I spend time with my family this weekend. My family gave me good advice. I had a nice chat with my friend. My family supports me. My friends help me stay positive. Ask easy questions. How's your family? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you live near your family? Do you meet your friends often? Did you see your friends this weekend? These are simple and warm. They help build trust. They help build connection. You are speaking beautifully. Keep going, step by step. Section 12. Talking about plans. Easy future small talk. Plans are great small talk topics. People enjoy sharing what they will do next. Use these sentences. I have plans later today. I'm meeting a friend. I'm going to relax tonight. I'm cooking dinner later. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm working this weekend. I'm traveling next month. I'm trying something new soon. I'm planning a short break. I want to learn something new. Ask about other people's plans. Do you have any plans today? What are you doing this weekend? Are you going anywhere soon? Are you trying anything new? What are you looking forward to? These are natural. These are friendly. These help conversations flow easily. Section 13. Encouragement for learners. Motivational shadowing. Now take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Feel proud of yourself. You are learning. You are growing. You are becoming more confident every day. Repeat these. I am doing my best. Every day, I get better. I am stronger than yesterday. My English is improving. I believe in myself. I speak slowly and clearly. I take small steps. I enjoy learning English. I am patient with my progress. I celebrate my small wins. Take your time. Shadow each sentence. Let the words flow through you. You are doing amazing work. This is your journey. This is your growth. This is your moment. Part 3. Daily English Small Talk to Sound Natural. Section 14. Talking about food. Simple, friendly small talk. Food is a happy topic. Everyone eats. Everyone has favorite foods. Food is easy, fun, and perfect for small talk. Let's start with simple sentences. I love good food. I enjoy trying new dishes. This smells amazing. This tastes really good. I like simple meals. I enjoy home-cooked food. I love fresh fruit. I like warm soup on cold days. I enjoy iced drinks on hot days. I love sweet desserts. Now, simple questions. What do you like to eat? Do you cook at home? What's your favorite dish? Do you like spicy food? Do you enjoy sweet food? Friendly responses. That sounds delicious. I want to try that one day. I like that too. That dish looks beautiful. Wow, I'm getting hungry now. Food brings people together. Food creates connection. Food makes small talk warm and natural. Keep shadowing. Feel the rhythm grow inside you. Section 15. Talking about time. Easy English for daily conversations. Talking about time is part of everyday English. Here are simple sentences you can use. It's still early. It's getting late. I have time right now. I don't have much time today. I need a few minutes. I'll be ready soon. I'm running a bit late. I'm right on time. Today is going fast. The morning was slow. Useful questions. What time is it? Do you have a minute? Are you free today? What are you doing later? When is a good time for you? Easy answers. I'm free now. I'm free this afternoon. I'm busy this morning. I have time later today. Let's talk soon. Time is simple. Time is clear. Perfect for small talk. Section 16. Talking about learning. Inspire and connect. Many people love learning something new. You can use this topic to connect, share, and grow. Here are simple sentences. I love learning new things. I'm learning English slowly. I practice every day. I enjoy my study time. I learn from my mistakes. I take things step by step. I use English in my daily life. I want to get better every day. Learning makes me happy. I'm proud of my progress. Ask questions. What are you learning right now? Do you study every day? Do you enjoy learning? What helps you learn better? Do you have any study tips? Easy responses. That's a great idea. I want to try that too. You're doing really well. Learning takes time. Let's keep going together. Learning connects hearts. Learning creates friendship. Learning makes small talk meaningful.
Section 17. Talking about travel. Light, fun, interesting. Travel creates excitement. Even small questions can open big conversations. Here are simple travel sentences. 191. I enjoy traveling. 192. I love seeing new places. 193. I like short trips. 194. I enjoy nature. 195. I love city lights. 196. I enjoy beach days. 197. Mountains make me calm. 198. I like walking in new cities. 199. I enjoy taking travel photos. 200. I love learning about new cultures. Questions to ask. 201. Do you like traveling? 202. Where do you want to go? 203. Have you visited any new places? 204. What kind of trips do you like? 205. Do you enjoy long trips or short trips? Easy responses. 206. That place sounds amazing. 207. I want to go there too. 208. That trip sounds relaxing. 209. That must have been fun.
210. Wow, I love that idea. Travel is exciting. Travel brings stories. Perfect for friendly small talk. Section 18. Talking about health. Simple, supportive English. Health is important. We all want to feel well. Keep this topic simple and gentle. Useful sentences. 211. I feel good today. 212. I slept well last night. 213. I'm a bit tired right now. 214. I'm trying to eat healthy food. 215. I'm drinking more water. 216. I need some rest today. 217. I feel stronger this week. 218. I'm taking care of myself. 219. I need a short break. 220. I'm trying to stay active. Simple questions. 221. How are you feeling today? 222. Did you sleep well last night? 223. Do you feel okay? 224. Do you need a break? 225. Are you feeling better? Supportive responses. 226. I hope you feel better soon. 227. Take good care of yourself. 228. Rest if you need to. 229. Health comes first. 230. I'm here if you need anything. Kind, warm, gentle sentences. Perfect for daily English. Perfect for sounding natural. Section 19. Talking about the weather. Classic small talk. Weather is the most common small talk topic. Everyone can join this conversation. It's easy, it's universal, it's friendly. Simple weather sentences. 231. It's sunny today. 232. It's cloudy right now. 233. It's raining a little. 234. It's very windy today. 235. It's hot this afternoon. 236. It's cold this morning. 237. The sky looks beautiful. 238. The air feels fresh. 239. The sunset is amazing. 240. The morning light is soft today. Easy weather questions. 241. How's the weather today? 242. Is it hot where you are? 243. Is it cold this morning? 245. Is it raining right now? 245. Do you like sunny days? Friendly responses. 246. I love weather like this. 247. I don't like the heat. 248. I enjoy cold mornings. 249. Rainy days feel peaceful. 250. The sky looks beautiful today. Weather small talk is short, smooth, natural. Great for warming up a conversation.
Section 20. Talking about daily life. Simple, everyday English. Daily life includes many little moments. You can talk about them easily. Simple sentences. 251. I woke up early today. 252. I cleaned my room. 253. I made breakfast. 254. I took a short walk. 255. I listened to music. 256. I watched a short video. 257. I organized my desk. 258. I did some housework. 259. I talked to a friend. 260. I rested for a while. Ask about someone else's day. 261. How was your morning? 262. What did you do today? 263. Did you have a busy day? 264. Did you relax today? 265. How's your day going? Easy responses. 266. Sounds like a good day. 267. You had a busy day. 268. That sounds relaxing. 269. I'm happy for you. 270. I hope the rest of your day goes well. Daily life sentences are simple. Daily life sentences are useful. You can use them every day. Section 21. Motivation. Building your English confidence. Now breathe in, slowly, calmly. Feel your progress. Feel your power. Repeat these motivational sentences. 271. I am growing every day. 272. My English is becoming stronger. 273. I speak with confidence. 274. I take small steps forward. 275. I enjoy this learning journey. 276. I am patient with myself. 277. I trust the process. 278. I use English every day. 279. I am proud of myself. 280. I am becoming a natural English speaker. Feel the rhythm. Feel the meaning. Feel the motivation. You are doing amazing. This is not just practice. This is transformation. This is your growth. Part 4. Small talk for building connections. Small talk is a bridge. It connects one person to another. It connects one heart to another heart. It is simple. It is small, but it is powerful. In this part, you will learn small talk for building real connections. Connections at work, connections with friends, connections with new people, connections that give your life more color, more joy, more meaning. Take your time. Read slowly. Shadow slowly. Breathe slowly. Let every sentence flow into you.
1. Small talk at work. Work is not only work. Work is also communication. Work is teamwork. Work is energy between people. When you speak with kindness, you create better work. When you speak with confidence, you feel stronger. Here are simple sentences for work small talk. Good morning. How are you today? Did you have a good night? Did you sleep well? Are you ready for today's tasks? Is there anything I can help with? Do you need support on this project? I like your idea. Your plan sounds great. I agree with your point. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your hard work. Great job today. Nice work on that report. That was a good presentation. Your explanation was very clear. I learned something from you today. Let's take a short break. Let's talk about it later. Let's work on this together. Can we discuss this now? Can you explain that again? Can you repeat that, please? I didn't understand. Can you say it slowly? I need more time. I will finish this soon. I will send it to you later. I will check it. I will fix it. Everything is okay. No problem at all. These sentences are your tools. Use them every day. Repeat them. Shadow them. Make them natural. Encouraging mindset. Remember, you don't have to speak fast. You don't have to speak perfect English. You only need to speak with calm energy. When you speak slowly, people respect you. When you speak clearly, people trust you. When you speak confidently, people listen. Small talk is a skill, and you are building it, word by word. 2. Connecting with new people. Meeting new people can feel scary. It can feel stressful. Your heart beats fast. Your hands feel cold. Your mind becomes busy. But small talk helps you relax. Small talk helps you breathe. Small talk helps you connect. Here are simple sentences for new people. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Is this your first time here? How do you like this place? What brings you here? What do you do? Do you work nearby? Do you live close to here? Do you come here often? What do you spend your weekends? Do you like traveling? What places do you want to visit? Do you like music? What kind of music do you like? Do you like movies? What is your favorite movie? Do you like reading? What books do you enjoy? Do you play any sports? Do you have any hobbies? Your idea is interesting. I'd love to hear more. That sounds fun. That sounds exciting. That sounds challenging. Small talk opens the door. A smile keeps the door open. Your kindness invites the person inside. Create a warm atmosphere. People remember how you make them feel. Not your grammar, not your vocabulary, not your accent. You can make someone feel safe, welcomed, comfortable, valued, respected,
heard. That is true communication. That is real connection.
3. Small talk that builds friendship. Friendship grows from small seeds. Every sentence is a seed. Every smile is water. Every warm moment is sunshine. To build friendships, use gentle and friendly small talk. Hey, how's your day going? What are you doing later? Do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to walk a bit? Do you want to hang out this weekend? I enjoy talking with you. You always make me smile. You have good energy. I appreciate your support. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being here. You're a good friend. I trust you. Let me know if you need anything. I'm here for you. I hope you have a calm evening. I hope you have a happy week. Take care of yourself. Rest well today. Stay positive. Friendship is not big. Friendship is simple. Friendship is soft. Friendship is small talk plus care. The power of listening. To build friendship, listen deeply. When you listen, you give someone space. When you listen, you give someone comfort. When you listen, you give someone peace. Listening is love. Listening is connection. Listening is a gift. Speak less. Listen more. You will connect more. 4. Small talk that inspires people. You can inspire people with simple English. Your words can lift someone up. Your words can make someone smile. Your words can make someone feel stronger. Here are inspiring small talk sentences. You're doing great. Keep going. Don't give up. You're stronger than you think. You can do it. I believe in you. I'm proud of you. You're making progress. Every day you get better. Just take one small step. One step is enough. Little progress is still progress. Every effort counts. You are improving. You have good ideas. Your work matters. You matter. You're not alone. Your English doesn't need to be complex. Your heart makes your English powerful. Motivational reflection. Small talk is not only communication. Small talk is connection. Small talk is kindness. Small talk is human warmth. You don't need big words. You only need real feeling. You only need your true voice. The world needs more gentle voices. The world needs more kind people. The world needs more connection, and your English can help you create that connection.
5. Your daily practice routine. To master small talk, practice every day, even just 5 minutes. Consistent practice builds confidence. Here is a simple routine. Warm up. Breathe slowly. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Relax your mind. Shadow 10 sentences. Choose 10 small talk sentences. Repeat them slowly. Match the rhythm. Feel the words in your body. Speak in the mirror. Look at yourself kindly. Smile softly. Speak your sentences. Use one sentence in real life. At work, with friends, with family, with strangers. Use one simple small talk sentence every day. Celebrate your progress. You are trying. You are improving. You are growing. Celebrate that. Every day is a new chance. Every conversation is a new door. Every small talk is a new connection. 6. Final inspiration. You began with small steps. Now you are walking with more confidence. Your English is opening new paths. Your voice is becoming stronger. Your communication is becoming clearer. Your connections are becoming warmer. Small talk is not small. Small talk is powerful. Small talk can change your day. Small talk can change someone else's day. And small talk can change your life. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep connecting. You are becoming the English speaker you always wanted to be. One slow sentence at a time. One small talk at a time. One moment of courage at a time.
To support this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Your engagement allows us to keep producing high-quality shadowing lessons for you.